You need to consider exactly what type of book that you want because there are many options. If you're looking to self-publish, a small printer or a publishing house should be able to provide your needs. The option that you're likely to be looking for when self-publishing your book is something known as perfect binding. Documents such as a manual or presentation would be more suited to saddle stitch binding, which is a stapled booklet and can be done at most good print shops. However, it would be wise to get a couple of quotes, because it will depend on what equipment the print shop has as to how easily they can produce a saddle stitch book, which will affect the costs. Wire or comb binder books are also an option, but it will depend on the document's purpose and your budget. Rather than guess, it would be best to discuss your needs with your printer to ensure that you make the most appropriate choice for your purpose and budget.